Aquarius, Spirit has a bold message for you. We start with the Tower. This suggests sudden change. Something unexpected is going to shake up your routine and delay your plans. It's going to feel like total destruction, but it clears the way for new forms of energy. The second card is the Fool. This shows that this change is actually opening a door to a new start and a new adventure. Note that the Fool is an innocent, so this could be something you know nothing about, you've never done it before, and it could be kind of chaotic. The third card is the Ace of Wands. This brings passion, creativity, and exciting new beginnings. This is a big opportunity. It's quite a big force, and there's strong energy to gain from this. Spirit's final message is something new and exciting wants to enter your life.